I'm Hilah Loewenstein. I am a second-year student at UCLA Anderson, graduating in 2022, and I am a Cockrum Fellow. Part of the reason why I went to UCLA Anderson now was because I have a little daughter who is 19 months old, and I want to show her that this is something that she can do and invest in herself and, have a career and have it all. And I'm immensely grateful for this fellowship, for allowing me to go now and get this MBA without putting undue financial burden on my growing new family. I have to say that the thing about Anderson that makes it so special is the people. Nobody's there to tear you down. Everybody is there to share success, to really support each other. It just has been so unbelievably refreshing and wonderful to be in an environment and a community like that. This fellowship makes me feel really proud of myself, and honestly, that's a way that I don't often feel. I had, especially since I had never taken a business class, I didn't necessarily see this as my path when I was younger. I was really nervous that I was going to be unsuccessful here at Anderson, and getting this fellowship proved to me that I can do it. I think it's so important to be able to give back to business students, to support business students, because I see my classmates and I see how much change for the better they are going to do in this world as future leaders. And I just know how important it is to support that growth and that learning so that they can become the most effective leaders and really institute that powerful change.